Hello scholars, this is Miss Martin and this is the video lesson overview for adding two digits with regrouping for your math lesson number 1. The materials that you need for this lesson are your Bellringer notebook and your Chromebook. The learning target for the lesson is I can add two-digit numbers using a number line to solve a math problem. The first task that you have for this lesson is to complete your Bellringer. You have 3 minutes to complete today's Bellringer. Start the video when you're ready to begin and go to the next slide. You need to read the question on the next slide and write your answer in a complete sentence in your Bellringer notebook. So when you're ready to start this timer, just hit the play button and you should hear music. You'll be able to go to the next slide, and as long as you can hear music, that means that you still have time. So you're going to want to write this sentence in your notebook. When we see this sign, what should we do, add or subtract? So you want to write this complete sentence by saying, when I see this sign, I should blank. Okay, that's your Bellringer. The next thing that you need to do is you have an interactive word wall game with addition words. You have 7 new vocabulary words that you're going to be looking at, so I want you to hit the start button and try to match the word with the definition. When you're finished, you can hit the submit button and see if you are correct. The next thing you need to do is you need to watch this video. It's like an introduction review video of adding numbers. And then there's another video on the next slide that I want you to watch and review as well. And this video is actually going to show you a number line. It's going to use a number line to add numbers. The solving problems task, you have two different items that you need to do. First, you need to look at these 3 problems and solve them. Now, these are just 1-digit numbers. So you should already know how to do this. And if you do not, if you need additional help, remember you can click on this teacher video up here at the top, and it's going to walk you through how to do this. The second area is you need to solve these 3 2-digit numbers. So you have numbers in the ones place and numbers in the tens place. So you will solve these 3 problems again in this first teacher video. It's going to walk you through how to do all 6 of these problems, and it's going to guide you on the practice. This second teacher video link it goes with this interactive number line. So it has an interactive number line that you can use, and this is what it looks like. If you don't want to draw your number lines, you can actually use this one that's on the computer. And so this second video up here at the top is going to walk you through how to use this interactive number line. Your final task is going to be to solve the problems independently. These 4 problems you should be doing on your own independently, and then you're going to upload them into Google Classroom. There's several options that you have for showing your work. You can actually write these on paper and use pencil to solve and take a picture with your Chromebook and then upload it into Google Classroom, or you can use Jamboard. If you remember, I told you in the previous slide, I showed you I recorded some videos. In these videos, I'm actually using the program Jamboard. And so that's a choice, if you know how to use that you can use to show your work for these 4 problems. After you complete that, if there's still time, there's this game called Jumper Line. You'll be able to practice your addition skills. Just make sure you choose the level that fits with your understanding of addition, and then you can play on that, and then just leave a comment in the comment area just to let me know if you liked this game or not. You want to click right here on this link to open up the game. And finally, we have our checklist. You need to complete Bellringer number 1. Second thing, you need to make sure you did the virtual word wall. Third, there's 2 videos that you need to watch on adding numbers. The second one is going to show you a number line. Fourth thing you need to do is the solving problems practice. Remember, there's a teacher video on that slide if you need additional support or help. And the fifth thing is complete the 2-digit problems independently. There was 4 problems that you needed to do independently and submit on Google Classroom. Remember, make sure you hit submit when you turn your work in. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video for lesson number 2. As always, if you have any questions, call your teacher or just send them an email, and I'm sure they'll be willing to help you.